So, Dad has just taken off the cable for the stop lever with an odd sized. Do you know what size it was? No idea. It was very odd size, but look how small that is there. Tiny. So there's a lot of rubbish on the engine. So Dad's just using an airline to blow out some of it. Dad's just taking it off now. You can see there in that tub there's a couple of washers, really small ones. And he's just slowly
of course it's not gonna...
releasing it. I can't really get an angle to show.
I'll go have a look because there should be a spring under here. There's going to be a spring in here somewhere, I reckon. Where's that spring? Where are you? I can't see you.
Do you want me to get my torches?
No, not at the moment. Get me a... Take that water for me.
You put it in my hand. I got it. I'm not just standing there and watching. How else am I supposed to learn? You see it?
Yeah, oh, I can see the spring and I can see which one it's hooked in as well.
Do we need this little pot?
Not yet.
I'm going to put it down a minute.
Yeah, I see what he means. An Aussie. I was watching an Aussie mechanic.
There's the cover off, and there's what it looks like inside there. So there was a spring that sits, well, we took it off now. It sits in the middle there, and you can see it's full of gunk.
Let's have a...
Let's go in here, in the pot. In this pot here, you'll see down the bottom there was where she fitted onto.
It hooked in the first one closest. So it's hooked in the first one closest.
There you go.
Have to remember that.
You see there the little gunk. So when we bought it, the filters hadn't been changed. You could see they were absolutely full, and obviously that's worked its way round. And that is what's stopping the stop from moving.
Yeah.
There you go, I'll move out your way. There you go, I'll zoom in.
Just locking the lock tabs down. Do this one. Spanner to fit that. Socket to fit that. That's not. Where's that brush? Some crap from that. Look at it. Look. It's going to be full of that. Absolutely full of that. So that stop vane's going to be absolutely plugged up. And that's what happens to maintenance-free servicing. Now, third one. This one we've got to be bloody careful with. This is the stop.
So we've got the stop out.
And she's absolutely full of crap.
Let's just have a look in here now. Yoink.
Absolutely full of crap. Yep.
So in that little hole, it's full of gunk.
Looks like it. Looks like it's well and truly.
That's just dipping a screwdriver in to see what it is.
Yeah, well truly.
So how would you clean it out?
Blow it out with an airline.
Airline, yeah.
Airline's going to be the easiest way. Blow it out and see what comes out. Could have done with a new gasket for the top of here. Right, let's just give that a light blow out.
Yeah, I just saw a bit of it coming out then. So we started putting it back together. So the mechanism's moving.
Yep. It is, yeah. That's all moving. It should. Just going to tighten it all up.
So the casing's back on.
I'm interested in it. See if it's, I ain't ready yet.
It's good that she's up and running now. She's working on one brake. Needs adjustment to the throttle cable. Probably needs a new stop lever as well. Just had a quick look under and around her, see what's involved, see what sort of little jobs need doing. And obviously there's body work that we need to do. Dad's obviously playing around with his gears at the minute. So the Ford's broken down there as well. She needs a new lift pump, which, well, we think it's a lift pump, which she's already had last year. No, you're alright, you can put her in. No, just go stick her in, it's fine. I'm fine, go put her in. Go put it in. Go put it in. That's if I want to have a go, but I'm not in the mood at the minute. Good old Leyland.